The mystery of the disappearing lunches. Lily, Max, and Jay were best friends. Every day at school, they ate lunch together under the big oak tree. But one Monday, something strange happened. Lily's sandwich was gone. I packed it this morning, Lily said, checking her lunchbox again. Now it's missing. Maybe you forgot it at home, Jay suggested. No way, I remember putting it in. The next day, it was Max's turn. His juice box had disappeared. Then on Wednesday, Jay's cookies were missing. This is not normal, Max said. Someone is stealing our food. The three friends decided to investigate. At lunchtime, they placed a fake sandwich made of sponges inside Lily's lunchbox and hid behind the tree. After a few minutes, they heard rustling. A small furry creature peeked into Lily's lunchbox. It was a squirrel. They watched as the squirrel grabbed the fake sandwich, sniffed it, and then dropped it in confusion. It's been the squirrel all along, Jay whispered. But then, twist, a shadow moved behind them. They turned around and saw Tommy, the class prankster, holding Jay's missing cookies. Wait, so it wasn't just the squirrel? Max asked. Tommy grinned. I only took the cookies. The squirrel must have stolen the rest. The three friends laughed and made a deal. They would share some food with the squirrel, real food, not sponges, and Tommy had to promise no more pranks. From then on, they left little treats under the tree, and their lunches were never stolen again.